Hi there, welcome to Sussex Campervans. My name's Daniel, so great to see you. I'd like to show you a new innovation we've come up with today. We've been working on this for a couple of years. It's superb. You know, we've been building campervans for many years now. You could even say we're experts. Hey, that makes me think, have you read the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide? I've just released the 11th edition. If you'd like a copy, just click the link in the description, give us your details, and we will send you one in the post free of charge. It's over 100 pages of information, insider knowledge, tips and tricks, stories, anecdotes. I think you're going to enjoy it. Click the link and I'll send it to you without cost. Anyway, let me tell you about our new innovation we've been working on so hard. You know, on a camper van, we find the sort everybody wants is the sort with the pop-top elevating roof. And that's what this new one's got, exactly that. We've built hundreds and hundreds like it. Putting that roof up can be a bit heavy for some people. And for all of us, we love things to be automated and touch a button, don't we? How much better would that be? We've been trying to produce a really good quality electric roof system for quite a while. Well, now we've cracked it and here it is. This has got an electric roof. Press a button and it goes up, press a button and it goes down. Let me show you how easily this roof goes up and down automatically. This is going to open Poptop campervan ownership to a much wider audience of people. Perhaps they're a little bit elderly, maybe they've got a little arthritis, or maybe they just haven't got the strength to push and pull a great big roof. It's as easy as that. The roof's gone up in a jiffy and I didn't have to do anything. When you're ready for the roof to go away, the process is just as easy in reverse. In fact, there's even a remote control if you want it. You can do it without standing next to the van. How cool is that? When the roof's down, you just lock the catches, ready to travel. That was so easy, wasn't it? Would you like to have a chat with us at Sussex Campervans? We'd love to tell you about this and all our other innovations. We've got lots of new stuff coming out this year. We'd like you to be the first to know. Why not book a call and we can jump on and have a chat together, find out what you're looking for in a campervan and tell you how we can help. If you click the link in the description, you can actually see our live calendar, book a time that's good for you and we can chat together. Or if you like, you can even book a virtual visit, which is even better. The Sussex Campervans virtual visit lets you come and visit us from the comfort of your sofa. We can do a live video call, not just sat down in an office somewhere, but actually amongst the vehicles, showing you inside, showing you how things work. You can ask questions and interact. Really gives you a great insight into what the product is and what it could do for you. We'd love to welcome you on a virtual visit too. Check the link where you can click to book one of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're among the first to know about all our new stuff as it's coming out. Look forward to seeing you really soon at Sussex Campervans.